Good morning! We're heading down for breakfast. Oh, I think kasi daming tao nagising na din. Kaya matagal siya now. Matagal, wala pang 1 minute naghihintay.
Hindi na relax yan. Okay.
Yung, just raw vlog.
Okay. Lapit na.
Puro mukha ko eh. Tagal lang ng elevator. Ah, sige, later na lang.
Tenía que haber...
So this is what they have for breakfast. First order of business, coffee. Ano ba? 7? Only 7 a.m. and packed yung restaurant nila because they serve buffet breakfast here. Puro mga foreigner as usual and mga senior. Para kaming retired pensioner na naman. Cappuccino, definitely. Hot coffee in the morning. Espresso shot. Let's go. Bacon, croissant, cheese omelette.
Pero nag-video ka dun sa mga food?
No.
Ay! Hi guys, so it's our second day. Bae, say hi. We're waiting for Grab ba or Bolt? How much, bae? 120 baht. Diba? Pero pag iwo-walk, ilang minutes pag iwo-walk, ayun na naman yung yeah. Pero look at our hotel. It's so nice. Pang tita. It's so nice for the price. Mura lang to, nakita ko sa Agoda. Parang for 2 nights, 7.5 lang. Mura lang siya, in fairness. And it's kind of old now, but it's so nice. Pero maybe ayaw niya. Palayo siya ng palayo. Tapos sa bar nila, Filipino songs yung, ayan, naririnig niyo ba? Yeah. Anong title niyan? Ayan, sa Piling Ko. Piling Ko. Yun yung song. I don't know if si ate Filipino or someone here. Ayan. Hiskastakli ba yan? Yan, can you hear? Ibang version, pero it's a Filipino song. Pero puro Filipino songs pala. Playlist yan since yesterday. Yan, can you hear? Ang galing. So there. Yun, we're going to Pratunam Market. Yun lang. Bye! Grabe yun yun, no? Oh, we're going na pala. Oh, there. Yan.
Nasa'yo na yung phone mo?
Yeah. Ah! Yung shades ko, sabi ko, asan? Suot ko pala. Yes. Hinahanap ko yung shades ko, suot ko pala.
Favorite? Balingaga. Labubu. Lababo yan sis eh. May mga Kuromi and Hello Kitty. Okay. Accessories. Ang cute. Dami mga anik-anik. Oh. May mga ano ba to? Parang mga blind box. Ito yun, di ba? Yung mga parang ganun. Sunny Angel. This one, oh. Sunny Angel. Labubu. Yeah, parang mga blind box. Ay, ang cute. Kabog. Fashion muna si Labubu.
Magkano kaya to?
Ask. And you will be answered. Lababu. Labubu pala. Sorry. Char. Yeah, of course. Ready na siya kasi mag-picture na kami dito eh.
Hi guys, so it's 9:19. Diba? For the sleep kami dito eh. Ako lang pala. Punta. Iinom. So, mag-eat muna kami and then mag-iinom. Oh, see? Okay, bye.
Here's our food. Pad Thai with prawn. What's that? Stir fried. Ano to? Pad krapaw ba to?
Ha?
Pad krapaw?
Yeah. Mince.
Mince beef. So ano lang? Missing. Crispy pork. So tapos lang namin mag-quick dinner. Pero babalik na naman kami agad sa hotel kasi natatay na naman siya. Kalokab dahil. Ayan na naman yung hotel eh. Oh. Like, wala pa yatang 1 minute. O, 1 minute to walk mo na. Sige. Yan lang. That's it. Yan. That's the hotel. Let's go.
Hi guys. So, hindi na pala ako tatay. Ay, nakabububo. Putot na lang. waiting for the Grab. Bye. Lamok pa. Pakalaki ng lamok.
Hindi nga ma-stand eh. Pero mamaya ilimog-limog tayo.
Just taking a video of the jelly.
Morning.